Gusto mo naman ng magkaroon ng may parking area? Well, dito, pagka makuha mo ang isang corner unit or lalong-lalo na si Vicky Deluxe, meron na siya, kahit 50 square meter lang po siya, meron na po siyang parking garage sa harapan. So, kaya po yung isang high-ace na Toyota. So, pwede, kasya na po, ganun po kalawak ang ating parking space sa Vicky Deluxe. And, you need to grab the opportunity because they have a 200,000 discount. So, limited lang po yung offer ng ating developer. So, now, i-show ko naman sa inyo ang ating map. So, this is the Grand Sycamore Heights. Ito po yung mapa ng subdivision. This is 14.5 hectares. So, we have the BQ1. This one. So, ang house features niya is we have the one bedroom, living area, dining area, kitchen, toilet, and bath. A minimum lot cut of 49.5 square meter of our end unit, a floor area of 22 square meter. And for our regular unit, we have a minimum lot cut of 36 square meter, floor area of 22 square meter. Also, this is our BK2. Our BK2 also house features of one bedroom, living area, dining area, kitchen, toilet, and bath, as well a parking area. For our end unit, we have a minimum lot cut of 75 square meter at 22 square meter floor area. And for our regular unit, we have a 50 square meter and a floor area of 22 square meter. For this two houses model, we have only a 5,000 reservation on that. Also, we have here, this is our BK2. BK2 is a two-story house features of parking area, living area.
Sabi mo BK2.
Two-story?
Sabi mo BK Deluxe, 2-story.
Ah, okay. Kaya nga, BK Deluxe.
Pwede mo. Pwede mo na BK Deluxe.
Okay. Also, for our Vicky Deluxe, so Vicky Deluxe is a two-story house features of parking area, living area, dining area, kitchen, toilet, and bath, and a balcony at my second floor po ito. Our end unit with a minimum lot cut of 100 square meter, a floor area of 44 square meter. For our regular unit, we have a 50 square meter, 44 floor area. Ito ang aming may discount na 200,000 with a reservation of 20,000 pesos. So welcome po ang aming mga seller, buyers, of course, ang aming mga mahal na investors. So, grab the opportunity to have your own investment. Thank you so much.